Well, in the course of rummaging through my junk bin, my junk room rather, I come across this little black box here, and I decided I think I'm going to repair it. And the reason it's repair, I think, is mainly because the wires have been cropped off. This is the Sho-Me Siren. It's got the horn button, whale, and yelp, and horn. There's no labels on this, but we do know that it is 12 volts, and I happen to have 12 volts. What I don't happen to have right on hand is the alligator clips I need for this. Oh, here they are, right here. And I have these. Alright, we'll go red. Oh, I need the big battery for this. And I'll go black, and I'll set this off to the side. There's the other end of this. Touch them together. Now, probably not. You can probably hear this. There's a coil in there that's making it do that. Yeah, I mean, it does work. Now, there's a coil in here that's making it do that, and it's working off of that little bitty batteries. You know, this little thing here. So, let's fix the wires, shall we, and see if we can irritate the hell out of my neighbors tonight. Right, my screwdriver. We'll open it up. It's always fun to irritate your neighbors midweek, you know. They're used to it. A lot of weird, strange noises get produced in this house, you know, electronics and PA equipment and computers and stuff in general. It's not something they're not used to. That's what was making the noise right there. This that there. Okay. Now, first thing that we need to do, it's got a little toroidal choke in it for the drive. It's got a little fuse here. It's good, obviously. So the first thing I need to do is I need to get the strain relief off. So this may require a jump cut because, well, can I do it with this? I can't find my strain relief tool. The tool I got to get these things apart. These little bits out of here. I might have to cut this wire all the way down. Am I going the right way? No. Yeah, this is going to require a jump cut because I got to move the camera stand and get some leverage. So, it might take me a little while, but you'll only see, I don't know, instantly almost. Oh, well, that took some doing, and I went on and took the rocker switch out just in case I need to pull the circuit board. I did get this. I did get the strain relief out without having to destroy it. And I've already, since I didn't need to pull the circuit board, I just desoldered that. And I gotta finish desoldering over here. I'm using my heavy duty force this time because I don't want to dick around with pencil iron and pulling a circuit board, so I'm just gonna do this. I noticed this is 100 watts on this thing. A 100 watt driver is required, so it probably wasn't a good idea to just let it with no load do its thing. I don't even know if I have a 100 watt driver in the house here. I know I have a 70 watt and 80 watt. It might be okay with that if I were to put a resistor in line. But, yeah, we're going to find some wire to replace that power and that speaker I need with. Where's my wire bin? There's it. Probably hidden somewhere. There's some wire. That'd be good for power. Oh, maybe. I don't know if I have any black in that. Yellow. There's yellow. Oh, there's better. Oh, that's orange. You know, when you gotta put things under the camera to see what color they are, you know you're getting old. getting bad. Anyway, I gotta find some wire, so it'd be another jump cut. Well, I was successful in finding the wire, I guess. I found 14 gauge in TW, which is a stranded, wire. And I have like a little roll of it left. And I found red and black, which surprised me. I didn't think I actually had any more red and black. Also in the process, I found my silver solder. So we'll be using that. I can try to do this. I can do this in the field if I need to, but I usually don't. The ambidextrous soldering skills. So let's get this good and warm here. Hopefully I won't melt the wire too bad. And this is the positive. So it's going to go right down here on the positive track. Can I get it in the hole? Will it go in the, go back through the hole, or is it going to be a dick and not do it? Nope. I'm going to have to lay it. I'm going to have to lay it on. It won't, not without overheating the damn wire anyway. So I'm just going to lay it. Lay it in. And it's overheating the wire, of course. Of course. Oh, that's nasty. You know what? Fuck this. Pull that off. I don't like that when the wire splits up like that. I just don't like it. It's very sloppy, and I'm not letting that happen. Letting that go like that. I'll try a different solder. Try my thicker solder, and I'm really going to coat this pad this time. Oh, it wouldn't go through the hole. And there's the wire. There's the smoke in the camera. I don't know where my helping hands are. I just don't know where they gotten off to. And get it all hot. Tack it on like a boss. Boy, that took longer than it was supposed to. But it's on. Okay, I'm going to temporarily route you this way. Make way for the negative. It's already stripped. Bend that, I guess. So I don't mean to bore, but you know, I don't know any other way to do this. I don't know where my little helping hands are. I think my roommate might have moved them, used them for some stupid thing he was doing. Who knows? Okay, this is ground, and it can go right down on there. Tack that on like that. Good soldering job, huh? That way. Watch the strain relief and not even want to go on now. They'll probably want to fight me to the bitter end. Okay, now next. What is next? Let's see. Do I not have a set of... Oh. That's not going to work on 100 watts. That's too light. What's this big shit? Well, that would work on 100 watts. That's too big. As he says, rambling off in the wire bin. There you go. What's this? Orange. Oh, I know what I probably could use. What yellow? I don't have any more teed up. Blue. Where's the blue? Sorry about that rambling on to myself. So I guess, would this hold 100 watts? Probably not. I don't trust that. Jump cut. Well, okay. I'm back. And I opted to use the purple and brown, which this is, the red and black I put on was 16. This is 14. And, oh, this is very thick. This is a very thick piece of wire. I mean, it's not like 12 gauge, but, you know, it's sizable. So we're going to see how this solders and holds up. Hopefully it won't be too much of a fucking disaster. Goodness. This thing, I need to tighten that up. Hopefully it won't be too much of a disaster. I'm just going to try to tin this wire first before we do anything impressive with it. And oh, there goes all the smoking up the camera again. Get that one cool and get this other one. Put a nice little blob on it too, I guess, to help it later. Come on. Come on. And that looks good. Okay, those are tinned. Looks pretty good. I'll take and put a bend in them right quick so I can get them on the pads. I can't go through the board, with, especially with this big wire. Jeez, would never go through. So I'm going to make common brown and speaker positive, or 100 watts, or whatever the hell it's called down there. This purple. Blow the pad good. Little lead solder. And take a purple. Get it heated and get it tacked on. Looks like some Chinese manufacturing to me. Okay, and then let's take a common, get it all warmed up and get it all on there. Good enough. The wires just started to split there. Cool it down. I'm not liking how that thing's rocking around. We'll give it a go. These are going to be routed and loop back around and hit the strain relief, so they're not going direct into the thing. So see, something like this anyway. I don't like this brown one's just not wanting to cooperate very well, does it? Okay. Now I can put this back on. Stick that back in. Reconnect with the red goes in the center. Black went there. That takes care of that one. Now comes the fun. We got to try to stuff all of this in this. Is this even going to work, I wonder? I want to crop the ends of these wires off. It's pretty much even now. We'll just right into the trash bin. Those. I'll feed them all through the hole. Back to the unit. I have no idea what I'm going to use. Probably resell this thing. It's in good shape. It's not dead. It was built in 99. May of 99. I guess that's when it was last serviced. Not real sure why it was pulled out. I guess because it was a cheaper model or something. It was pulled out. Yeah, that is exactly how I want it routed. So let's get this bit here. Let's see if we can get all of that back in. This is probably going to be one of those impossible things to do while on camera. Because it's probably going to involve a lot of swearing eventually. Shit, come on. Definitely going to have to pinch that, I think. Make wire pliers here and put a pinch on it, see if that helps it. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay, come on. Yeah, this is going to turn into a project here to get this back in there. I can't find my string relief pliers either. I don't know what happened. All my good tools are just leaving all of a sudden. I don't usually loan out tools. Come on. Oh, you almost went in and then you popped out. You shit. Christ. Is this even gonna fucking go? I'm sorry. I gotta jump cut again because I gotta move the camera. Oh, fuck. Okay. I'm gonna tell you what, that was a chore. This wire is obviously bigger than what was in it. And I did manage to get it back in there. So it is secure in there. It's not coming out. That's for damn sure. Now it's a matter of putting it all back together and firing it up. There's not a doubt in my mind that this will work. But it's where's the case? Cover back on. And it wants to spring open because there's so much new wire in it. Oh, so in that jump cut, I couldn't find my driver that I did have, so we're just stuck with that. I know it's outputting because you can hear it. So it should kick right up and come on. I just don't like running these without a proper driver on them. But hey, it was given to me. It's not like it's a big loss. I don't even think I have a bracket for this. What the hell? Anyway, she's repaired. She has better wires on it. All I need to do now is put some ends on the wires, I guess. And yeah, there she is. Oh, it's upside down. Well, there she is. And here's our new wiring harness. There's something on this wire. Paint. So we're going to take, don't need those, speaker output is 100 watts. And I'm just going to take the 16 gauge and strip them. And oh man, it is hot in here for some reason. I don't know why. I don't have the heat on. It's not hot enough for heater yet here. It's just, maybe it is me wrestling that wire in. It's worked up a sweat. Because I'm tell you something, that wire was putting up one hell of a fight. But I emerged victorious, of course. Okay. Okay, no shorts. Yeah, okay, I can already tell you it's going to work. So here we are, new wires. Yep. Oh, okay, I call that a win. Sorry, I don't have a driver to actually put on this, and I'm not going to keep doing this because, it's not healthy for it. Even though it's not healthy for it, says the man who keeps fucking doing it. Anyway, it is ready to be, sold, and this definitely has a smell of eBay to it, I think. So yeah, I might sell it for $50. I don't know yet. Something on eBay. But yeah, can't annoy the neighbors with this one right now. I could not find the actual Siren driver. So anyway, just a little something because I was bored and it needed to be done. Replacing the wires on this. And if you like this video or whatever, like and subscribe. It's completely painless. There will be more stuff similar to this to come, where you'll actually see me doing things, whether they be crazy things or technological things or gaming things or just out and about dicking around town things or shocking my roommate with a taser thing. If you would like to see that, thumbs up the video and be sure you subscribe, and I will zap his ass with my new flashlight taser for you, for your entertainment. Of course, he agreed to it. Of course, if he agrees to it. Anyway, I am Elf with Elfnet Gaming, and I hope you enjoyed this repair and all of its jump cuts, and I'll see you guys in the next video.